let's talk about that. Is that an IUL?
Oh, geez, I need to know this, don't I? I'm not
No,
sure.
no. But let's
I'm
talk
not.
about infinite banking. Let's talk about infinite banking. Let's go, bro.
Oh, yes, yes, for sure. So obviously, I like to keep it simple. I get lost in
Yeah.
the technical stuff, and accounting is my least favorite thing to do. But I will tell you, my insurance agent sat down with me for 2 hours after I sat down with Jeff Lerner, who told me about this concept to
Oh,
begin with. That when I heard about it, I was like, "What the heck? Nobody is even Why are we not teaching this? This is amazing. Everybody should have an income." And imagine being able to take money that you make, or not all the money that you make. I have to be careful here because that's not accurate. But to be able to take a large chunk of money every month and put it into an account that grows interest, and then be able to take a loan against that account for 90% of the balance and never pay it back until you cash that out after it's grown all that interest. It's an amazing thing.
and the thing is, you don't have to pay it back. You know that, right? You don't have to pay it back
You don't
because
have to.
you borrowing against a death benefit. And guess what? The insurance that they're going to pay out even no matter what. I mean, they won't pay out the whole death benefit. So why not use my death benefit while I'm alive, right?
Yep,
And invest my
absolutely.
money.
Well, and when you die, if you have $1 million worth of value in that account, and you've taken $800,000 of it out as loans, you don't get all that money that you took out. What's left over as the insurance benefit? You're spending it now, but it's still gaining and interest by comparison. The interest rates that they're getting on these things are not bad at all, especially in this economy. I think it's fantastic. I'm kicking my. You know what? The other thing I'm going to do is move to Puerto Rico, so I can live there 192 days out of the year and not pay anyways. That's another topic.
And hope that there's no hurricanes coming through.
Yeah, and you pay only 2.4% in taxes.
Yeah, you don't pay any state taxes, or maybe it's any federal. I don't remember which
Federal,
it is, but
federal,
yeah,
no federal.
Federal.
But you need to be at least
think
181 days out of the year in state. So
Let's
in
move
Puerto
in.
Rico,
I'm
doesn't
okay.
have to be recurrent. You could just go back in and out. You could be there every other month. So let's move to Puerto Rico.
Absolutely. I visit Del Mar as often as possible. It's this really cool community on the southeast corner of Puerto Rico where a bunch of internet marketers have bought the land and fenced off the area. It's a gated community. They have their own police force and their own schools. They have an equestrian center for their horses and sailboats on the ocean and beaches and tons of rentals, and it's absolutely paradise.
What is it? Tierras what? What was the name of it?
I'm looking it up right
Palmos
now.
del Mar. Palmos del Mar.
Palmos del Mar. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
All right.
And it's beautiful. It's about an hour and a half from San Juan. It's right on the coast. Oh, it's one of the, and they brought in high-powered internet, and yeah, it's pretty neat. Pretty special place.
That's awesome.